Hello YouTube, Copper King Recycling, and today on the table I've got a very old, let's see if I can get a date on this thing. Nah, there's no stickers on this thing. Maybe inside I'll see something, but this is a cassette deck stereo. Oops. Knocking treasures over. Easy the big guy. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is start taking out 101 screws. See if these even come out. Oh yeah, there's one here. This thing is heavy too, so find out what's inside. You never know. Oh gee, there's screws on the side too? No way. One here. One here. That's steel. Here you. Oh, that one doesn't want to come up. Try it again. That one fell. Now there's a screw here. And one here. Uh-oh, room's in the way. Surprising, down the front. This is the cut. You're about to get cut. There we go. Oh look, screws on the back. No way. Just go inside for a little while. See what's inside. Sexy. Holy goodness. Some weird looking boards. Oh, they're just clipped in there. Fine. Look at that transformer. It's encased. It's just a shield. Wow. Not a lot in this board. That's weird. All right, let's start. One there. One there. I think there's one here. There's one over here. Wow, is this a printer? Got about as many screws. Really? Okay, now I'm back. Yeah, that's what I thought. Here and about 100 I don't see. Get out. Oh, that happened. There's one here. Jesus. Break everywhere. A little surgery. Oh. That one too. And that one. That again. And backwards. went over the edge. Oh, good, screws. Okay, find it. Boring. Where's the bucket? Here we are. A water bottle in it. I don't know how that is. Ooh, what are these? Give it to me. Really? Oh, a little bit of brass. I'll trim that up later. In with you. Here. Get another one. Bunch of screws. Now, come on. No. That one fell. Oh my gosh! Wow. It's like each little. Okay. This little section has got its own section of screws holding it down. We're still nowhere near loosening. Oh, what's this? Oh, first it's a screw. It fell. Oh my gosh, there's a screw there. Come apart. Screw here. Screw here. Oh, we're moments from hammer time. Train. Yep. Now let's see what this does. A few loose screws. And then we'll take these screws out. One second. Screw there. That's fine now. You're definitely getting a hammer. Where's your screw? Don't see. What the hell? Well, just set that like that for a second. Put that on. We're gonna. Hey, look how easily that comes off. Oh, wait a minute. Got my hood on. It's not working. There we go. That works. That works. It's a weird board. seems to be stuck. Let's try this way. There we go. It's almost fogging up my shield. Here, a nuisance. Let's see here. Go down. I think it's broken. Well, let's see. Now I see all the wires in here. Whew, that was easy. Oh yeah, definitely have to take that off to get that piece. Now, see all the screws inside that one. Here's one. You should be loose now. Oh, now you want to give it up. Little motor right there I want. Wait a second. I need to see. I need to check something out real quick. I'm not sure. That seemed to work. That seems to have fallen off. Let me try. Try something one more time. All right, just a second. I don't think we're going to be able to put this back together. A more precise one, perhaps? Hey, it fell off. Nice. I think I pre-scrapped it. Oh, wait a minute. Come on. Well, look at that. This opens right up. That's convenient. Okay. Now, there's not a lot in this at all. I'm going to go ahead and just... These look like they have some copper in it. Well, let's find out. I seem to have dropped some things. Let's just use this for now. See what's in here. Feels like a lot of work for nothing. Yeah, that's ceramic. That's not ceramic. Yeah, there's a little copper in there. Go ahead and take these off. Yeah, there we go. That's a lot of work for nothing. Take those off. Well, there's a bunch of them on here. I guess if I really look at this, I'll find some copper here and there. This wasn't really a scrapping video. I was hoping to find something a little more significant than these two parts. But mostly I just needed to blow some steam off. So I'll go ahead and fine pick all this. Like, that might be aluminum. Okay, so there's my piece of aluminum out of all this junk. But the good thing is this beautiful cord. Beautiful cord and its brassy ends. So I'll go ahead and clean up all this. I don't know, figure out a way to get in here. I don't think it'll be too hard. And this one's already pre-funked, so that one's just ready to come apart. I'll do all this at another time. But I'm feeling much better. Thanks for watching. Copper King out.